everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make one of the most popular street foods in India. I'm talking about masala cheese Frankie. I got some potatoes here. These are boiled potatoes, boiled, peeled and mashed. So the first thing we're going to do is switch the gas on. I've kept a pan on heat, and to this let's add some oil. I also have a tawa here, that is because we're going to make the roll. For that I have already made these refined flour rotis and they are half cooked, as you can see. Because when we make the Frankie, we're going to cook it through. The oil is hot enough. Let's just add some cumin seeds. And to this I'm going to add some green chilies. And let's just saute this for a few seconds. This is it. Now let's just add some spices. I'm going to add some turmeric powder. To this I'm also going to add a pinch of red chili powder. Let's add a bit of chaat masala. And of course salt. And we just mix this. And now to this, let's add the potato. I'm also going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and start mixing it. You could also mash it slightly while you're mixing the potato mixture so that it combines really well. And that's it. Your masala for the Frankie is done. All we have to do now is switch the gas off, and the tawa that I've kept here needs to be hot as well. So I'm just going to switch the gas on. Let's add the Frankie. And we just have to cook it like for a few seconds on each side because they are anyway half cooked. Just flip. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just apply it. And now let's flip it again. So now this is looking beautiful. Nice golden brown. Now this is done. Let's start making the Frankie. So I have some Szechuan chutney here and we're just going to spread it to all the sides. Now of course the masala that we made. And now just spread it so that it's easy to roll. Now we got the masala, the roti. Now comes the cheesy part. Let's grate processed cheese. Now you can add as much cheese as you like. Now let's just sprinkle a bit of chaat masala. And now let's start rolling. There you have it. Cheese masala Frankie is now ready to be served. Do try this recipe for your friends and family because it's masaledar and tasty.